in the Bill of Rights. Okay, fine and dandy to show me where it says the right to marry. Well, the Ninth Amendment answers this question for us. The Ninth Amendment says just because a right is not outlined in the Bill of Rights does not mean the right doesn't exist. Right? And we can look back then. Were they arguing back then about what marriage was? It was a foregone conclusion what marriage was. Right? Steve, did you have your hand raised?
I did. I've been trying to answer the question you asked.
Oh my gosh!
You've been in a,
I thought you were preparing to throw a donut or something. I was like, what's she doing?
I was almost ready to throw it at you. I gotta yell. You're giving me a phony mic.
Let's hear this, Steve.
There are no enumerated rights of the people in the Constitution. All of the rights come from God. We have all of the rights. They existed before the Constitution.
Very good.
Very good. Wait a minute. Yeah.
You, Steve.
Let me finish. Ask the question.
Yeah, I spent several months now studying.
You need to come to my class.
Is that why you've been coming to my classes, Steve? I think you're taking my information and teaching that in your class, Steve.
I think you're taking my information. Anyway, the Constitution doesn't give you any rights. If you go into court and demand your constitutional rights, you're going to get every one you got coming, which is absolutely zero. The Constitution is the people's construction of the government. It tells the government what it can and cannot do. It governs the government, not the people.
Very good.
And if you don't know what your rights are, you don't have any rights. And if you don't demand your rights, you don't have any rights. And know your rights before you pick your fights. And I'm sorry, I told you I wasn't going to take the mic today, but I just couldn't resist.
Anytime you want to argue, anytime you want to fight, we'll set up the ring. Don't turn your back on me. No, that's exactly right. And this is important for us to understand. The Constitution doesn't, I use this term all the time, constitutional rights. But do rights really come from the Constitution? Of course not. Right? These rights that we're talking about are inalienable rights. And the reason why they're in our Constitution is for what purpose? Not to remind the people that the rights exist, is to ensure that the government recognizes them.